Monumental telco partnership for Helium driving the price of HNT through a key resistance that it was unable to clear for several weeks. This same resistance level that we identified early on was stopping HNT in its tracks and sending it lower for some time. But today, we blew through that resistance and are currently above the key 786 Fibonacci retracement level. Less than $2 away from all-time highs, can Helium continue its march upward over the next few trading sessions and retake its previous all-time high? Hello everybody and welcome back to another video here on the Crypto Compound channel. Thank you all so much for being here. I hope you're having a great day. Please like and subscribe on the way in. We are very close to 10,000. If you could just smash that like button and that subscribe button and we could get there, that would be just amazing, especially considering the chart we are looking at. As you can see, we are approaching all-time highs, less than $2 away from all-time highs, coming off the back of the major telco partnership with Helium and Dish Networks. This is just tremendous news. We've seen major financial news publishers publishing this article, including Bloomberg. That is tremendous news and has been long in the making with regards to Helium and 5G connectivity and data. So if we're looking at this chart, what we're trying to see is where we might expect HNT to go in the next few trading sessions, if there are any signs of slowing down or if we're going to break through all-time highs and just melt up into price discovery mode. Looking at this chart, there are a few things I notice, a few good things, a few bad things. This is the daily chart of HNT, a time scale I really like to use. I don't like to go any lower than 6 hour, but the daily right now is working perfectly. As you can see, we've been rejected by the golden pocket here multiple times, just really touching straight into it at least 5 times and reversing backwards. As you can see, we have been making these consecutive higher lows, which is really great. Those are 3 very pronounced consecutive higher lows. Really good to see, and that was right before the news broke, which is this giant green candle here. That was earlier today, and here we are now above the 786 Fibonacci level, just around $25. One thing I will notice is that if you see the last time we approached or made all-time highs, you can see that the RSI was above 70. It was overbought. We are currently not at that range right now. We are not in that level, so the buying has not reached that magnitude, which is a good sign if we're looking for HNT to go higher. That means we have some room to run. We are not overbought just yet. We're approaching, but as you can see, HNT stayed in the overbought territory for about a week here. So really interesting to see. That's very important to note. If anyone is saying we are overbought or overextended at this point, I would challenge them and ask them why they think that, because the RSI is not indicating that whatsoever. We are just at the cusp. Perhaps tomorrow we might be inching into overbought territory, but right now we are not there. One bearish thing I will note here is if we look down at the MACD, we can see that we have made a lower high on the MACD. At the same time, we have made a higher high here. On these two structures here, you can see this high and this high. That is a consecutive higher high, which is good for the price chart. However, the MACD is indicating a lower high, which is bearish divergence. Of course, that is not a definitive indicator. It is just something to take note of. That would indicate that we are losing a little bit of momentum, a little bit of steam. However, that is before all of the news regarding the partnership. If we swing over here to coinmarketcap.com, we are in the 59th rank by market cap. That is very standard for the past few weeks for Helium. We did actually retreat into the 73 range about a week ago or 5 days ago. We have since recovered and have regained our spot here at number 59, which has been a staple for Helium for about a month or two, and that is thanks to the recent pump, the recent increase of 15% over the last day or so since the news broke. So that is good to see. Hopefully we can stay here and continue to move forward. Of course, if we see new all-time highs, we could start to test the mid to low 50s, which would be amazing. So guys, as far as where we go from here, there really is no resistance between us and the all-time high. I will expect us to test this level, to get very close to it, if not touch it, or maybe break over it for a second and see when the sellers step in to drive the price lower. Of course, that is going to happen. It's just a matter of whether the buyers are going to overpower the sellers and will throw helium into the upper 30s, new all-time highs. Really exciting stuff. Honestly, of course, this is not financial advice. This is me and just my opinion. But I do think that we will see us test this level within the next 24 hours. I don't see any reason for there not to be a test here. There is no resistance here. There's only about $1.50 difference between where we are right now and this all-time high level. And then, of course, it's price discovery mode. And if the momentum continues and the broader crypto markets continue to do well, of course, we can see the $30 range in sight at that point, which would be amazing. New all-time highs on the horizon. But of course, we never know what is going to happen. We could get shot down before testing this level, but we'll have to see what happens. Let me know if you guys are seeing anything in this chart. Of course, like I mentioned, a little bearish divergence here, not overbought yet. And of course, no resistance between here and the previous all-time high. Very exciting stuff, going to be super interesting. Let me know what you guys think if you see anything else in the charts. But that's all I have for this video. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date on the latest helium news and analysis. I appreciate you all for being here. I hope you're having a great day. But just like that, this video is over, and I'll see you next time.